Hello, good morning. Hello, how are you guys doing? This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Glad to be with you all again. So, hello. So, I'm getting ready for my scripture. And I said the month of September would be Proverbs. Okay, this one is do not lose sight of these. Keep sound wisdom and discretion. They will be life for your soul. Proverbs 3:31 through 22. Thank you for Miss Lena. So this is my scriptures for today. All right. Now, believe it or not, I'm getting ready to I have one of my subscribers has asked me to make a jelly cake a while ago. And I got ready to make it this morning, and I got everything out. But I did not have the flour that I needed. So I decided to do a quick thing. And so maybe if it's anybody want to make a quick jelly cake, this is what I'm going to be making, a quick jelly cake. But I will be using a box cake mix instead of my scratch like I had planned on. And this is a box of cake mix that I bought at Aldi's. And it's the classic yellow cake mix, okay? And I'm going to be doing the strawberry jelly cake. So I will be using, it said 3 eggs, but the eggs were rather small. So you pour everything in at once. And I don't have to worry about trying to do one at a time. So I have to preheat my oven at 350 before I put it in. And so I'm just add the water, oil, and eggs in the bowl with a low speed, okay?
Just follow your direction of your cake mix. That's all you have to do. Whatever the box say. And like she said, next time she does, she'll do it from scratch because that's how she always have made it. But this is quick because a lot of people don't like to cook from scratch anyway. They just like box to do stuff fast. So it's just a fast variation of it.
Okay. So I'm pouring in. Okay. I'm getting ready now. I'm putting in one small package of the strawberry jello. I'm putting my strawberry jello in. Okay.
She has the little box of the
All right.
0.3 ounces. Little bitty tiny box.
All right. So now I'll be pouring in what the directions call for, which is all right. I have
and that's strawberry jelly, y'all. I was telling no strawberry jelly.
Okay. I have 1 cup of water. One-third cup of oil, of vegetable oil. Okay. And it calls for 3 eggs, but I'm using 4 because the eggs are small. And then I'll be mixing it all together, okay? All right. Now I'm going to be taking the mixer, and I'll be mixing it up with the mixer, all right? And it's telling me to start on low speed, so I am for about 2 minutes. I have to be at 2 minutes more on medium speed. All right, my 2 minutes is up on my medium. My 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna spray the pan. I have 2 little 8-inch pan, and I'll be spraying it with the baker spray for flour. Okay, I'll be spraying it with the bakery joy spray. All right. All right, now I'm getting ready to put it in the pan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to shake them before they get to the levelness. Okay. All right. Now I'm getting ready to put them in the oven at 350. Thank you. And I'll be back as soon as they finish to finish it with my jelly on top when they cool off. Thank you. Okay. I'm getting ready to put the jelly on top of this is the final touches of my strawberry strawberry Jello Jelly Cake. Okay. So now I'm getting ready to put the strawberry jelly on it. Okay. On this jelly cake, I've had to mix it with extra cream whooping topping. And then I'm going to put the other one back on top of this one. Now you don't have to if you prefer it. Now mine is the jam. If you get the real jelly instead of jam, it will probably stick a lot better. But today I'm using what I have, and I'm going to put this on top. Okay. Okay. Some whooping cream on it. This is just the Cool Whip type into the jelly. And then I'm going to blend it together to put on top. Okay.
And there's jelly and whipped cream she putting on there. I made jam. Yeah, if y'all decide to make this cake, use jelly. We had the jam. We was just using what we had. I remember we was in school. We was little. All the teachers wanted only my mother's jelly cake for every party. Her tuna fish sandwiches and her jelly cake. They didn't want no other parent to make it but her.
Okay. All right. This is the final taste of my strawberry Jello Jelly Cake, and I'm gonna give a little taste. It's very good. And I took the strawberry. I didn't have a jelly, so I used the jam, and I added just a little bit of the Cool Whip to the jelly jam, and beat it with the whisk, and made the topping of it. So I'm gonna just cut a little piece of it and let you see me do a little taste test of it. So I'm just gonna cut in a little piece of it for me. Okay. All right. So the center is the same way. All right. It looks very moist and everything. It's really very delicious. Very delicious. So, okay. It's very moist. Very moist and very soft. I really would like it. It is very good. So I want you all to try this. And if you don't, I will be doing one from scratch, but I didn't have enough flour today. So I did this one from the box to see so I could see you come out with something that will be quick and instant. Because I know a lot of people don't like to go through the long scratch period. So if anybody that's interested, very good. So take this yourself, because this might be something you might want to put out for your Sunday dinner or whatever. But it is very, very delicious. So please try it. And this is Miss Lena with hers, a strawberry Jello Jelly Cake. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.